Big early here again. Big early here again. Today is Saturday morning. Got here at 4:30 in the morning and made a lot of progress here. So we'll talk about that in a second. Now I'm doing something a little different today. I got here early so I can progress a little bit more forward towards this, because I'm gonna have to wait a little bit because I'm getting a custom harness made by my boy Paul. Shout out to Paul Wired. Incredible. He did the AK-47. Incredible wiring guy. Yeah, so off camera, made a lot of progress. At the end of this video, I'll post at the end. I'll post a vlog where I made to do oil pump conversion and putting your engine on timing all in one video. Makes it super easy. Wait for that at the end. But we're going to pick up something very, very nice from a very, very special person today. So that's in the works. Now let me show you what I did here a little bit. So I ended up installing that oil pump, right? And now you see this color here? That's all going to end up turning to this. Once I do a nice little oil change, let the motor get really hot, it'll clean all that out. Basically the 4-piston oil pump is on. Damn near the motor's on timing. I just got to do the rest, but I'm kind of running late because I'd like to go catch my daughter's basketball game. It starts at 8 a.m. I got an hour drive, so I'm going to go handle that. I got to bring that guy with me there too and hit the road, but brought out all the old parts. As I'm installing, I'm cleaning everything, and hopefully we can get this motor sealed up and by tomorrow or the day after. But I'm working hard this weekend, so going to do the family time thing now. Going to pick up something very special. Come back tomorrow. Do my thing in here. Try to finish all of this up. I got a lot of cleaning to go. So let's start. Let's kick ass. Fucking sun's still not out. 7:02 in the morning. Yo, don't you hate when like you make like an Amazon order or like a parts order, and then you think you got everything in that order, and then you're like, fuck, I could have added that too. I wouldn't have had to pay the shipping, or it would have came at the same time. That's what I'm going through right now. I placed an order on a Honda Parts warehouse or something like that, and I forgot a few things. But it is what it is. I'm currently heading to Scarlett's basketball game. And then after that, we're going to go pick up a nice item. Basically, we're going to bring back giveaways, and we're doing them much more different. I figured, you know what, let's just shoot the shits now, right? I think what was kind of like digressing from progress on my giveaways was it was taking too long. I got it. You know, I picked up on what needs to happen. People want like instant gratification, instant results. So in 2026, we're doing giveaways, but smaller items, but worth a lot of money. So maybe not a car anytime soon, but for right now, smaller items, but not small items, right? Like engines, turbo kits, stuff like that. I just want quick turnaround time. I make money. I'll share the money with you. Everybody has fun. Nobody has to pay for delivery. We'll start putting engines on pallets, turbo kits in boxes, shipping them to the winners. But much more different now, a lot cheaper. So we're staying away from the $60 bundles that used to come with like 3-4 items. It'll be a shirt, hat, beanie, plate frame, chain, stuff like that. We're getting away from that. It'll be something, you know, much simpler, quicker turnaround time. So this is what I'm thinking. You guys let me know in the comments. Friday to Friday is all you can join, right? So 7 days. Friday won't count because it starts there. So Saturday, then it on Friday, the following week, that makes 7 days. The following Friday, we announce the winner. So basically, you have 7 days to join. Everybody gets their stuff, gets their tickets, and then we announce, do a live drawing at the garage, something simple, quick to the point, pick out winners, have multiple prizes, and if you're a sub, you already know the incentive. Subs get a crazy incentive on Instagram. they're going to be able to make a percentage of the money. So put it that way. Yeah, so that's the future plans for Keep Gunning. Kind of just keep the ball rolling, keep the suspense going. The money part is cool or whatever. I honestly just love the suspense of seeing where some of these prizes go. I've been getting a lot of people saying it, like, your giveaways are so special because they keep us on our toes. And I said, all right, so then point out one thing that you think could be better. Honestly, the giveaways take too long. And I'm like, yeah, I know, but I just wanted to make sure everyone got their merch and their tickets. Because how fun would it be to watch a giveaway live on YouTube to see if you won a car or an engine, a swap, whatever, but your ticket's still in the mail? So we used to wait like 2 weeks after the last day to make sure everyone got their stuff. But now I found a faster formula. So we're picking up something nice to do our first giveaway of 2026 in this vlog. And boy, is it a special, special giveaway from a special person too. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll be reading. Let's get to this basketball game. Look who's back. Say hello, chicken. You're gonna be on YouTube and that's how you're gonna act?
Hi.
And my boy Poop. So, yeah, all right, so Scarlett just finished her basketball game.
I won.
They won. Congratulations.
We won, yes.
And then Samir's also a voluntary coach. So it's awesome to see the kids do stuff together. Now, we're about 6 minutes away from Kevin's house. And he told me bring an appetite. He's got a nice spread for us. We're gonna see what happens. Cause are you hungry, Poop?
I'm starving.
Scarlett?
No.
You're not hungry? I'm starving, so I know we're gonna eat good at Kevin's house. Just make sure everything is good with recording, and we should be there soon. So we'll see you in the next clip, right, Daddy?
Yeah.
What a man's man. This is one of my closest friends that I've met through social media.
Yep.
We've became like family.
Yes.
And his children are awesome. His wife is beautiful. This house is beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
And we got to talk about what's downstairs, but I told you
Yes.
to save it.
Yes.
But I mean,
More to come.
Kev, what a spread you got for us,
A
bud.
little something for you guys.
You
a little light.
We've got the bagels, we got muffins, we got fruits, the donuts, strawberries. You outdid yourself.
Hey, glad you came.
All right, well, let's.
I'm glad you're here.
Yeah, thank you for having us, man. So,
Time to eat.
guys, we're gonna all sit down as
Yes.
a family here, and then we're gonna break some bread. You guys hungry? Oh yeah, Samir's excited. Let's go.
I say this is a grail.
That is a grill, man. We just had such a great breakfast.
We did.
Samir and Kev had a great conversation about college,
We did.
and you want to show them what the hell I bought. When did I get this from you? A few months ago.
Several months ago.
Several months ago.
You did.
Yeah, I said, you know what?
Yes.
Just hold on to it because that's a great deal.
Yep.
And yeah, why don't you show them? Explain it too while you're at it.
So, it was just something that I had. Here are all the little goodies that are on the side. But,
This thing is literally brand new. This guy was building arguably one of the greatest Hondas in a very long time that I've seen. Captiva Blue EG,
correct.
carbon, everything.
Doors, everything, yeah.
Everything.
Yes.
Every suspension component,
To the
whatever you could, yeah, I mean, big brake kit, whatever you can name, fuel tech,
Yep. Fuel tanks.
complete harness throughout the chassis and engine,
Yep.
and decided to go a different route.
Yes.
A couple of great people picked up some stuff from you. Tato
Yes.
Bieng drove up from Florida,
Flew up from Florida.
And then drove
back.
drove back.
Tato. Love
Big
you,
shout to Tato
Love
Bieng,
you,
man.
Tato.
Our great friend Jay,
Jay, another
bought the
one.
chassis,
Yep.
and I couldn't pass up on the motor.
No.
I said, this is unbelievable. What is this, Kev? Tell us.
So, just to summarize it, it's a J-Spec, GSR, JDM, CSS, cylinder sleeve, block guarded 81 millimeter, Eagle rods, Wiseco pistons, built heads, springs, retainers, by SuperTech. Basically, it's gonna have a T1 cam trigger. I mean, you name it, I did it.
All MPC'd out, every bolt.
Yeah, I spared no expense. Oh, Cerruti, LSD transmission.
Fully built transmission.
Thank you to Cerruti.
Big shout out to Cerruti.
Love you, buddy.
What a great guy, man.
Twin disc, action, clutch. Again, just every nut and bolt, and just a lot of hard work into this thing.
There's a lot of hard work into this thing. I mean, he gave me so much extra stuff.
Oh God, yeah.
He gave me the T1 trigger.
Yes.
Gave me the motor mounts with it too.
Yes.
And basically, this is gonna end up just being damn near drop-in ready.
Yes.
Yeah.
The tucked fuel lines, Chase Bay. Pretty much, so many OEM components are gonna come with this. So again, you know, I just.
What a beautiful engine! Great job, man.
Yeah, man. Just.
Great job.
Yeah, a lot of hard work and just patience. That's all, my brother.
Yeah, I appreciate. What's up, Luca? We're down here. You want to work or what? Let's get to work. All right, guys, we're gonna figure out how to load this engine up right now. We got the cherry picker. We're gonna probably just move the truck around and figure out what's the easiest way, because I know it's gonna snow.
It is.
So I brought a car cover. I want to wrap the engine, so
Yes.
we'll wrap it twice.
Yes.
Yep,
Yes.
and then we'll strap it onto the bed and bring it on back home. But man, thank you for the hospitality, bro. It was incredible. Thank you so much.
It's always my pleasure, brother.
All right, guys, let us get to this part and we'll be right back. Okay, so engine's in, secured. Put a little pillow here. Kev, we got a lot of stuff to take, right?
Yes, sir.
You got all the motor mount brackets and stuff like that?
Motor mounts. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a ton of other things that will go with you as well.
You sure? Don't tell me you're gonna give me that turbo.
Yeah, man. So it's
Kev, what the hell?
Yeah, man. It's
Bro.
Listen, I haven't used it. I'd rather I go to a good person. And,
Damn.
And for the movement, man.
Are you sure? I know you were giving me the OEM stuff.
100%, man. You know?
Bro, that's too much.
That's how it works, man. No, it's not too much.
Holy
It's
shit.
going to a good place.
It's going to a good cause. We got some great people in this movement.
We do.
It's going to end up going to a good home. It always does.
Yep. So it's,
Holy shit, I swear to God.
It's
I had no idea it was going to do this, man.
Go Auto Works turbo kit. Smaller turbo setup, but it's efficient and it works very well.
Is that a 5858?
It's 5777, smaller
Nice.
side, but again,
It's a great turbo.
Quick spool and fat and a lot of power.
Holy shit.
Basically 3-inch piping, custom piping made by Greg at Go Auto.
That's
and,
awesome. Clean work, too.
Yeah.
Very clean. I did not expect you giving me the
And-
turbo kit. I know you got a
Got
bunch
some
of
other
other
goodies
stuff.
that I'll throw in there as well.
Hell
so
yeah,
again,
man.
I just want to make everybody happy and listen, man. Just want to give back, man.
Yo,
This is my way to do it.
I love you for this, bro.
This
Thank
is
you
what
so
we're
much,
supposed to do,
man.
you know?
I'm gonna, I'll make up for this though.
Listen,
I can't let this one go.
listen, it's,
The summer breaks, I got you. I know what's gonna happen. You know what's gonna happen. How you guys doing? You having fun?
Yeah, we're just.
Luca, how you doing, buddy? Let me see. What the heck?
He got his boots and
That's an awesome outfit, man. Out of nowhere. All right, you guys keep having fun.
I had to button this.
All right, so we're gonna need a box for all this.
we are.
Yeah,
Yes,
all right.
we are.
Yeah, let's find something to put all this stuff in. Thank
We
you
are.
so much, bro.
I'm glad. Any way that I can help, I'll do so, man.
God
That's,
damn, man,
what I'm
that's
about.
awesome. Look at that downpipe. That thing is clean.
Yes, downpipe,
Holy shit.
charge pipe, hot and cold slide. Everything's good, man. Never used, brand new, and good to go.
Love you for this, man. Thank you so
course, my
much, bro.
brother. What are you gonna do, huh? Hulk? Hulk smash like Carlos.
Got a whole bunch of stuff. He gave us harnesses. We'll show you that in the garage. We love you guys.
Love you guys.
Thank you for everything, man. You're a great man, brother. God bless you. He's going to continue to do so. Bye, Luca. We love you, buddy. Bye, Luca. We got bad news, folks. We are in fucking dead smack in the middle of a snowstorm. And
Good thing I covered the motor in the back, but the extra turbo parts, the box is open. So I got to get my ass to the garage and I got to get this motor into there. But yeah, I think what you seen today was incredible. Selfless man like Kevin to do that great gesture for you guys. Like, people might be like, yo, Ak, but you got the stuff. No, it's gonna end up going to one of you. We might put that turbo kit at second place. I think that's the right thing to do. We got further more to discuss about this giveaway too. This is just in the talks right now, but he gave me, I'd probably say like $7,000 worth of extra stuff. There's mad shit back there. I mean, the harness with the PDM system and the switch panel, everything is brand new. He gave me lower control arms and a subframe brace for EG DC2. Right there, the MPC stuff. Bro, I met this guy on Instagram, man. And he's been my brother ever since. He treated me and my kids like royalty. You seen it. It's a full breakfast spread. My daughter loves Luca. They were playing the entire time. Kev was giving Samir some great college advice because Samir wants to go to the college that Kev went to, Southern Connecticut. So, I mean, I'm blessed, man. I'm telling you, look, this is karma. Everybody wants to talk about, bad karma, good karma. You're watching great karma happen to me and some of you right now. And I really want to commend Kevin for what he did today, bro. Just the gesture of how he treated my children was incredible. I don't bring my kids around anybody, you know? You got to protect, the baby cubs, right? But I love that guy, Kev, if you're watching. Luca, if you're watching. Uncle Aki loves you. Kev, I love you. Thank you so much for everything, bro. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for becoming my brother, for real. But, I got a long way to go, guys. Backed up for traffic because of the snow. I'm going to get home in about an hour and a half. I got to unload this engine and go from there. So let me know what you guys think in the comments about the giveaway, about the 7-day idea, and then, the following week announce the winner. Again, looking for quick turnaround time because we want to get these winners their prizes ASAP. But, yeah. I'll catch you on the next one. I love you guys, man. Keep going.